Alright, this is my video bike check. This is my video bike check, and that's it. Alright, I got a Sputnik frame, Tony Nyer edition, animal jump off stem, stolen headset, Fit Shiv forks, I have Eastern crank, I have Odyssey Trail Mix pedals, yeah, see that? Odyssey. I have a stolen revolver rear rim, right there. Stolen revolver. I have Primo spokes and an Odyssey rear hub. I have Profile Racing crank. I think it's a 32 or a 33 tooth. Got kink seat clamp, Primo seat post, and I had an animal seat, but I took all the padding off because I don't really sit down when I ride. So, yeah, that's my video bike check. Yeah, my front rim is in the mail, and so is my handlebars and my chain. I got them all for dance comp. So, I'll put a video up when I get those. Alright, peace.